These are the formulas that we're going to use now for the sine 2 alpha, for cos 2 alpha, and then one more that is for the tan 2 alpha, that is 2 tan alpha over 1 minus tan square alpha. As now look at this, it says express each of the following as a single trigonometric ratio. So you see this is 2 sine alpha cos alpha. So 1a can simply be written as sine 56. Hai because this, if you change this 28 with the alpha, so this can be written as sine 2 times 28. So that is how this becomes sine 56. ठीक है? इसी तरह से this is 2 cos square 34 minus 1. So maybe you can use this formula. 2 cos square 34 minus 1 is going to be cos 2 times 34. So this b part can be cos 68. है ना? अच्छा. Look at this c part, 2 tan 17. So if it is 2 tan alpha over 1 minus tan square alpha, so that is 2, that is tan 2 alpha. So the c part can be written as tan 34. Have you noticed that this trigonometry is so interesting that, for example, if you have the value of, look at this, if you have the value of, let's say, sine 30, yeah, if you have the value of sine 30, then you can write the values of sine 150, sine 210. You see there the general angles because of that. Um, like you must be familiar with all of this. Now, because of the sine 30, you must be able to write the value of sine 15. Or maybe cos 60 as well, because sine 30 and cos 60, they are same. Okay? And then if you have the value of sine 45 with you, then through these two, you can write the value of sine 75. You can write the value of sine 15 applying the double angle formula. So you see, if you know one or two angles, you can find so many different angles, sine, cos, tan. ठीक है? अच्छा, अब देखिए, it says given that tan x is 4 over 3 and your x is between 0 and 90, so you have to find this sine 2x cos 2x. So basically this is again going to check that if you are given tan x as 4 over 3, so you can draw that triangle quickly. You can say that, okay, if this is my angle x over here and this is 3, this is 4, this is going to be 5. So if your tan x is if suppose your tan x is 3 over 4 and your x is an acute angle that is within the first quadrant, so that means your sine and cos, they will be positive. So then your sine x is going to be 3 over 5, your cos x is going to be 4 over 5, and then it says find the value of sine 2x. If you look at this, your sine 2 alpha is 2.
सर क्वेश्चन में tan 4/3 दिया हुआ है.
Mhm. Oh,
क्वेश्चन में tan x is equal to 4/3.
thank you for the correction, beta. This is 4, this is 3. So this is 4, this is 3. So this would be 4 here. And thank you, beta. This would be 3 over here. Okay? Acha. So then it says find the value of sine 2x. So sine 2x, can I change this sine 2x with 2 sine x cos x? है ना? क्यों भाई?
Yes sir.
So you see that sine 2x is, so this is basically practice of this double angle formula. This is 2 sine x cos x. So you can take all these values from here and then you can find the cos 2x, the tan 2x. You can even find this tan 3x. Now suppose you have got the value of tan 2x. Tan 2x is going to be 2 tan x over 1 minus tan square x. Okay? Now 2 tan x, that is 2 into 4 over 3 over 1 minus 16 over 9. We can write it as 8 over 3 times Now this becomes minus 7 over 9. This is going to be 9 over minus 7. So you have minus, can you please keep a check? I hope I'm going correct over here. This tan 2x is minus 24 over 7. Then it says find the tan 3x. So tan 3x can be, now you will have to use that double angle formula. Can I write it as tan x plus 2x cube?
Yes,
Yes?
sir.
है ना? And then I can apply that tan alpha plus beta, tan x minus tan 2x over 1 plus tan x times tan 2x. Okay, so I can write this numerator. Tan x is 4 over 3, and then minus
Sir,
plus.
plus tan 2x नहीं होगा?
Mhm. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Thank you once again, Fatma,
And
for,
नीचे 1 minus tan x tan 2x.
yeah. And Nietzsche, it should be 1 minus. Okay, thank you, beta. This is minus 24 over 7, and then this is divided by 1 minus tan x is 4 over 3, and let me make it plus times 24 over 7, and you can do the rest yourself. Okay, this addition subtraction of these fractions. So that is how you can find this tan 3x. How can I find, like, for example, if you look at this question number 4, how can I find this tan half x? Any suggestions? Hmm? How can we find this tan half x?
Tan half x plus half x is equal to tan x.
Yeah, that's great. So please try that. Try this question number 4, part D. You can try 4B. Please try. You will have to try these questions yourself. Only then we can move on to the harder questions. This is question number 4, okay? We are given that cos x is minus 3 over 5. Acha, now since this is cos x and you know you are in the second quadrant, that is why your cos is negative. So we can quickly determine the sin x, the tan x, okay? Now suppose here it is x, this is your 3, this is your 5, this is going to be 4. So if cos x is minus 3 over 5, then you can say okay, your sin x will be 4 over 5 and your tan x would be minus 4 over 3. Because you're in the second quadrant, so your tan and cos, they have to be negative. Okay, first of all, the A part, it says find sine 2x. So sine 2x is going to be 2 sine x cos x. Okay, so this is going to be 2 into 4 over 5 into minus 3 over 5. So your sine 2x is going to be minus 24 over 25. ठीक है, that is your sine 2x. अच्छा, then you have to find your sine 4x. Acha, since you know that your sine, if your sine 2x is, look at this, how you can get new formulas. If your sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x, can I say then my sine 4x would be, my sine 4x would be 2 sine 2x cos 2x, because this ratio, like if you have 2 alpha over here, there is alpha, there is alpha, so this ratio is always maintained. Either you have the values, I mean the identity for the sine, cos, or tan. Like look at this, tan 2 alpha is 2 tan alpha over 1 minus tan square alpha. You can say that your tan 6 alpha would be 2 tan 3 alpha over 1 minus tan square 3 alpha. So if you want to find the identity, you want to write the identity for sine 4x. So this can be written as 2 sine 2x cos 2x. You have already got the value of sine 2x. You need to have the value of cos 2x. Let's find that using all these values. So I can say that cos 2x is going to be cos square x minus sine square x. So let's use those values here. So your cos 2x is going to be, cos x is minus 3 over 5. So this is going to be 9 over 25. Sine x is 4 over 5, so that is 16 over 25. So this cos 2x is minus 7 over 25. Now let's put them here. Your sine 4x is going to be 2 sine 2x. Sine 2x is minus 24 over 25. And you have got this cos 2x, that is minus 7 over 25. So this is going to be 14 into 24. Let me find that. That is, that is, sorry, 14 into 24. That is 336
over
over,
625.
yeah, over 625. That is your sine 4x. Okay? So that is basically manipulating these identities to get to these values. Look at this when you have to find this. Um, in the same question, you have to find the tan 2x. So you can use this identity here. And then it says tan half x. Let's find that tan half x. Okay, for the tan half x, we can write it as um, tan x is going to be 2 tan half x, okay, 2 tan half x over 1 minus tan square half x. You can find it like this. You have tan x with you, okay? Now this might be a quadratic kind of an equation. Let's do that. Let me clear all this area. I want to clear all of this. Okay. Okay, now let's suppose that tan half x is, let this tan half x is equal to y. So tan x we have, that is minus 4 over 3. So this becomes 2y over 1 minus y square, that is minus 4 over 3. So this is 6y equal to 4y square minus 4y. And you have 4y square. Sorry, this is minus 4 only. Okay, so we have 4y square minus 4, that is equal to 6y. So this is 4y square minus 6y minus 4 equal to 0. This is 2y square minus 3y minus 2 equal to 0. I think we can do it through the middle term breaking. So we have 2y into y minus 2 plus y minus 2. So y is 2 and y is minus half. So these are the two values of tan half x. Okay. So within this 90 to 180, this is going to be, let me oh sorry, let me keep it yellow, yeah. Okay, so this is we put it back. So you have your tan half x, it is either 2, or your tan half x, that is going to be minus half. So as suggested by the students, this half x is like this range is initially for the x over here. Okay, so the range for half x is going to be from 45 to 90. So this should be the answer accepted here. In the next segment, we shall go from question number 5 onwards. Okay, so please come back for the second session.